So I just opened an Etsy store and I made my first sale. Yay! So then I thought, well, I don't want to depend only on Etsy to get people to my store. Then I thought, well, why I don't build a normally web page where I can promote my products and link them to wherever I want to. So that's why I did. I used Greta, an AI vibe coding tool, but you can use any vibe coding tool you want, for example, Lovable, Cursor, and so on. So let me show you what was my workflow. So this is my actually store. I bought a domain aimproduction.store. You can check it out if you want to. And like this, it looks a simple one-pager where I can link my templates to. I created Notion template, for example. So let's recreate this page in this workflow. The first thing I did, I went to my Etsy store. I choose the name in production, as you can see. Did some screenshots from all my shop, from the banner, from the name, from the products. And then I went over to my favorite AI. You can use any AI like ChatGPT or whatever you want. I personally use Gemini. So I pasted all my screenshots here, as you can see, and I used this simple prompt. I want to build a website to help promote my Etsy shop. I use a vibe coding tool, give you the prompt that built a minimalistic and elegant website. That's it. Easy. Then we get here a prompt. I think it looks pretty good. Of course, if you're not happy with colors or so on, you can tweak it to your liking, but I saw that this prompt was okay. So then I went over to my favorite vibe coding tool, Greta. Again, you can use any vibe coding tool you want to. I personally use Greta. Link is down below. Check it out. So let's go up here. This is exactly the prompt from Gemini. As you can see, there's a lot of text. And I think I just tweaked it one time. Exactly, create all the necessary subpages because I wanted the subpage to really work. And that's it. Let me show you how the page looks. Well, black, minimalistic. As you can see, the subpages are working. So what you need to do after you have this, well, get a domain if you want a domain, and just link all your products, for example, content planner Notion template, link this to your actually Etsy listings. Of course, tweak it to your liking, add your text, your information, privacy, and all this kind of stuff. But like this, you build a really nice web page that you can also link in your Etsy store, maybe create a blog on your page to get people from Etsy to your blog and then back and buy your product and so on. So I think this is a really nice way to create a fast and easy web page to promote your Etsy store. If you have any questions about this process, about the tools or whatever, drop it down in the comments. I would be really happy if you subscribe and follow this channel along. And as always, this video is brought to you by Extraterrestrial Tools, where we talk about tools that are not from this world. Bye.